Hello and welcome back. In this video, we want to add the login form for the admin. We have the login form for the user with the email and password. We want to still add this same form into the admin because the admin will be logging in with an email and a password. Now I'll just go into the database to give a default email and password. I'm not going to go through the process of creating the sign up for the admin, then do the validation, and allow the admin to log in. You can do that on your own as a challenge, since you already know how to go about the sign up, the validation, and also the login. So you can do that as a challenge. But for me, I will just create the admin login form, then go into the database to add an email and a password for the admin. So to start with the admin login form, I'll go into our project, then create a new folder called admin. So I'll call the folder admin. Then inside the admin folder, I'll create another folder called admin scripts, which we hold all the scripts we'll be writing. So I call it admin scripts. Then the next thing is inside the root of the admin folder, we create a file and we can call it admin login.php. So inside this admin login.php, we are going to add the form for the admin login. Now to do that, since we are going to be using the same login form we have here, we'll just go into our user folder, then login_form. We copy what we have inside the form, then go to our admin login and paste. First, we need to just comment this out. We are not going to be using it, which is the forgot password. Then we take out this PHP echo statements. Then we can add a text here that says welcome admin, please log in. And we don't need this text. Also, we can change this to admin, or we make it uppercase, admin login. So we've not created the script that will process this form, so we can take this one out first at the moment. So we have the form for the admin. Then before we can see this on the browser, we need to add this admin login into our index.php. Here where we have the admin text, we take that out. Then we can go ahead and include, as we included the others. Take this one out as well. So right now we are going into the admin folder, then we are making use of the admin_login.php. So we went into the admin folder to get the admin_login.php after creating the admin form. Then here we can take this out, then we change the name to admin email. We can just give it an ID, but since we are not going to be doing any client-side or jQuery validation, we can just leave it. We take out this password as well. Then here we give it admin password here as well. Then we can call this admin login or admin button. Then here is going to be admin login. So we've changed the names and the IDs as well as the name of the button. So we can go over to our browser since we have the file inside the index.php. So go to our browser, we refresh, and we'll click on the admin. Now you can see that we have the form for the admin. We go over to the login, they look almost the same. So we have the form for the login. So as I said earlier, I'll just head over to the database to create a table and add 2 columns, email and password, then give it a default value. Then I'm going to insert those values into the database, but I'll do that in the next video.